Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Littman Classic III is probably one of the most essential tools for any healthcare professional, and keeping it in top condition is crucial for accurate diagnostics and patient care. If you're looking to maintain the pristine performance of your stethoscope, then you've come to the right place, as we're diving deep into the world of Littman Classic III replacement parts, ensuring your trusted instrument continues to serve you reliably for years to come. Number 5. Littmann Stethoscope Replacement Kit, Gray. Keep your favorite stethoscope in top condition with our complete replacement kit. It's designed to extend the lifespan of your valuable instrument. These soft silicone ear tips offer a comfortable and secure fit for most major stethoscope brands. Enjoy superior comfort during long shifts. Specifically molded to fit Littmann Classic III, Cardiology 3, and Cardiology 4 models. Experience precision-engineered parts for optimal performance. This set includes both small and medium ear tips, plus a single-piece diaphragm for adult and pediatric use. It covers all your replacement needs. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This reliable silicone replacement kit is ideal for doctors, nurses, and veterinarians. It's a practical and considerate present. Made from high-quality, lightweight silicone, these parts ensure excellent sound transmission. They are designed for reliability and comfort. What we like? This kit offers a universal fit for multiple Littmann models, ensuring broad compatibility. It provides a complete set of spares, including ear tips and a diaphragm, to extend your stethoscope's lifespan. If you're looking for a versatile and comfortable replacement option that fits various Littmann stethoscopes, this is a great choice. What people say. The diaphragm is tunable on both sides, which is a great feature for auscultating different body parts. The headset is comfortable and the ear tips create a good seal, ensuring clear sound transmission. The tubing is durable and resistant to cracking, which means it will last a long time. Number 4. 3M Littmann Stethoscope Spare Parts Kit, Black. Ensure your stethoscope continues to provide optimal performance with this essential spare parts kit. It's designed to keep your device in top condition. This kit contains genuine replacement parts specifically for your Classic III, Cardiology 4, or Core digital stethoscope. Maintain the quality you trust. Easily replace worn or damaged ear tips, diaphragms, and the non-chill bell sleeve. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for essential maintenance. It includes a tunable single-piece diaphragm for both the adult and pediatric sides of the chest piece. This ensures accurate sound transmission for all patients. The kit also features snap-tight soft-sealing ear tips in black. They provide a comfortable and secure fit for extended use. Experience the convenience of having quality and reliability in one package. Keep your trusted instrument functioning perfectly for years to come. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for the Classic III, Cardiology 4, and Core digital stethoscopes, ensuring a perfect fit. It includes tunable diaphragms for both adult and pediatric sides, along with a non-chill bell sleeve and soft-sealing ear tips, all in black. If you own one of these specific Littmann models and prefer black replacement parts for a sleek look, this kit is ideal. What people say. The Littmann Classic III stethoscope is a versatile medical instrument designed for both acoustic and diagnostic purposes. It features a tunable diaphragm on both the adult and pediatric sides of the chest piece, allowing for a wide range of frequencies to be heard. The headset is made of soft-sealing ear tips that provide an acoustic seal for superior sound quality and comfort. Number 3. 3M Littmann Stethoscope Spare Parts Kit, Gray. Keep your essential diagnostic tool in top condition with this comprehensive spare parts kit. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. This kit is precisely engineered to fit your Classic III, Cardiology 4, or Core digital stethoscope. Ensure a perfect match for reliable functionality. Easily replace worn-out ear tips, diaphragms, and the non-chill bell sleeve. Restore your stethoscope's comfort and acoustic seal with simple replacements. Experience the quality and reliability you expect from Littmann. This convenient package provides all the necessary parts for essential maintenance. This kit features a tunable diaphragm for both adult and pediatric sides of the chest piece. Ensure accurate sound transmission for all patient types. It also includes soft-sealing ear tips designed for a comfortable and secure fit. Enjoy a superior acoustic experience during every examination. What we like? Designed exclusively for the Classic III, Cardiology 4, and Core digital stethoscopes, this kit guarantees precise compatibility. It features tunable diaphragms for both adult and pediatric sides, a non-chill bell sleeve, and soft sealing ear tips, all in a stylish gray finish. If you have one of these compatible Littmann stethoscopes and are looking for gray replacement parts, this kit offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. What people say. The diaphragm is tunable on both sides, which is a great feature for auscultating different body sounds. The headset is comfortable and the ear tips create a good seal, which helps in hearing subtle sounds. The tubing is durable and resistant to cracking, ensuring a long lifespan for the stethoscope. Number 2. 3M Littman Classic II SE Stethoscope Spare Parts Kit. Keep your 3M Littman Classic II SE stethoscope in top condition with this genuine spare parts kit. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. This kit is exclusively designed to fit the 3M Littman Classic II SE stethoscope. Ensure a perfect fit and function for your specific model. Easily replace worn or damaged parts. This kit includes the ear tips, non-chill bell sleeve, and tunable diaphragm for your stethoscope. Experience the quality and reliability you expect from 3M Littman. This convenient package ensures your diagnostic tool remains dependable. The kit contains a small, non-chill bell sleeve, measuring 1/2 inch. This ensures comfortable and effective use during examinations. It also includes a tunable diaphragm and rim assembly for the chest piece. This allows for precise acoustic adjustments for different patient needs. What we like. This replacement kit is exclusively for the Littmann Classic II SE stethoscope, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It includes a tunable diaphragm and rim assembly, a non-chill bell sleeve, and small ear tips. If you own a Classic II SE and need to replace these specific parts, this kit is tailored precisely for your needs. What people say. The diaphragm is tunable on both sides, which is a great feature for auscultating different frequencies. The headset is comfortable and the ear tips create a good seal, ensuring clear sound transmission. The tubing is durable and resistant to cracking, which means it will last a long time. Number 1. 3M Littmann Stethoscope Spare Parts Kit, Black. Ensure the continued quality and reliability of your stethoscope with this convenient spare parts kit. It's designed to keep your essential diagnostic tool in top condition. This kit includes a tunable diaphragm and rim assembly, perfect for replacing the existing one on your stethoscope's chest piece. Maintain optimal acoustic performance with ease. Specifically intended for the Master Classic II stethoscope, this kit provides the necessary components for replacement. It ensures a perfect fit and function for your device. You'll also find snap-tight, soft-sealing small ear tips included. These are crucial for a comfortable and secure fit, enhancing your auscultation experience. A non-chill bell sleeve is also part of this comprehensive set. This feature adds patient comfort during examinations, making it a vital addition to your kit. Trust in the quality and reliability that comes with genuine 3M Littmann parts. This package offers a simple solution for maintaining your stethoscope's performance. What we like. This kit is designed for the Littmann Master Classic II stethoscope, focusing on essential replacement parts. It includes the tunable diaphragm and rim assembly and is built with the quality and reliability you expect from 3M Littmann. If you are looking to replace the ear tips and diaphragm assembly on your Master Classic II and prioritize dependable performance, this kit is a straightforward and effective solution. What people say. The diaphragm is tunable on both sides, which is a great feature for auscultating different frequencies. The headset is comfortable and lightweight, making it easy to wear for extended periods. The tubing is durable and resistant to cracking, ensuring a long lifespan for the stethoscope. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.